There's something about the rhythm of laundry, the wash, rinse, spin, dry, and fold, that's undeniably therapeutic. I discovered this truth in a place where therapy wasn't just a luxury, it was a lifeline. And so began Journey in a rehab center in Nice, a journey that started with a heap of dirty laundry and unfolded into a new chapter of my life. In the early days of rehab, nestled in the heart of Nice, I was assigned to the laundry department. It was undeniably an unglamorous job, yet it was something I grew to appreciate. There was a certain humility in washing other people's clothes. It was a daily reminder that we were all in this together, each of us with our own stains and wrinkles, each of us seeking a fresh start. As the days turned into weeks and weeks into months, I began to notice a transformation, not just in the clothes that were once dirty becoming clean, but in me. I was changing, evolving, healing. I was learning the art of patience, the virtue of humility, and the importance of service. 18 months of doing laundry may seem like an eternity for many, but for me it was a period of introspection and growth. Every wash cycle became a metaphor for my own journey. The agitation, the cleansing, the rinse, and the spin all mirrored my own tumultuous journey to recovery. After rehab, I stepped into the world with a renewed sense of self. I found a job, made new friends, and started to rebuild my life, piece by piece. But through it all, I never forgot the lessons I learned in the laundry room. I still do laundry, but now it's my own. Each time I fold a shirt or pair of socks, I'm reminded of where I've been, how far I've come, and who I've become. I have learned that recovery isn't just about getting clean, it's about staying clean one day at a time, just like doing laundry. In summary, my journey from rehab to now has been a transformative one. It has taught me the value of patience, humility, and service. It has shown me that every stain can be washed away, every wrinkle can be smoothed out, and every piece of clothing, no matter how dirty, can be made clean again. So, here I am folding clothes, not out of necessity, but out of choice. Because this simple act serves as a constant reminder of my journey, my growth, and my recovery. It's a testament to my resilience and a symbol of my strength. It's a reminder that no matter how dirty life gets, there's always a chance for a fresh start.